स्कूल ये वो परिसर है जहां हमारे भविष्य का निर्माण होता है। ये क्लासरूम एक नींव है हमारे व्यक्तित्व की। हमारी जिंदगी में कई रिश्ते बनते हैं और टूट जाते हैं, मगर इस क्लास में बैठे हुए हमारे क्लासमेट ये रिश्ते कभी नहीं टूटते। बचपन की यादें जब भी आती है, होठों पर एक हल्की सी मुस्कान देकर जाती है। ये ब्लैक बोर्ड हमारे ज्ञान का पहला अक्षर इसी पर लिखा जाता है। ज्ञान की गंगा का गौमुख श्री बद्री विष्णु भागरती विद्या सरोवर सीनियर सेकेंडरी पब्लिक स्कूल, पौड़ी खाल, टिहरी गढ़वाल।
नमस्ते नमस्ते
ये विद्यालय 2007 में कुछ उद्देश्यों के साथ खोला गया। इसमें ये देखा गया कि हमारे क्षेत्र से, पहाड़ी क्षेत्र से बहुत कम बच्चे मेडिकल लाइन, इंजीनियरिंग या हायर एजुकेशन में कम बच्चे जा रहे हैं। दूसरा, ये यहाँ पर पलायन बहुत ज़्यादा था। जिस किसी की भी आर्थिक स्थिति अच्छी थी वो लोग पहाड़ से भाग रहे थे। इन सब को रोकने के लिए भी एक पहलू रखा गया और इस उद्देश्य के साथ खोला गया कि हम लोग यहाँ पर एक आधुनिक शिक्षा, साइंटिफिक एजुकेशन इम्पार्ट कर सके बच्चों को, पहाड़ के बच्चों को।
After the retirement from Border Security Force, I joined this prestigious institution as a managing director. My aim to boost and to accelerate the aim of founder of the school, Sri J.S. Bisji, that is scientific education to everyone. This school has got numbers of awards in the field of education excellency. Continuously this school is getting Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Excellency Award from Government of Uttarakhand.
It is very important to share your worries with someone who will listen and care about you and what you say. And one more important thing is that if you really feel that you are being depressed, then do not try to isolate yourself. Try to force yourself to be social. Spend your time face to face with your friends or family members who make you feel good.
To be recognized as an institution of high quality education and all-round development of students and going by the global needs and trends of quality, we impart scientific education to surrounding area covering 56 villages. Beginning from the infrastructure, we have 15 good classrooms, 3 well-equipped laboratories, 1 upgraded library, 1 computer lab, 1 musical room, 1 games room, and 24 separate toilets for girls and boys and staff. We also have 17 highly qualified, trained, experienced teachers, 4 caretakers, 5 drivers, and 5 staff in the administration. Every year, our school arranges scholastic and non-scholastic activities for the students like cultural programs, scientific education, games activities, song competition, literary competition, debates, etc. Our students also play games for the district level and the state level. Every year, our students participate in the Science Inspire Award programs.
My name is Arjun Rana and I have got 94% in my high school 2022 batch. I have first position in my school and 24th rank in Uttarakhand merit list.
Hi everyone, I am Tamanna. I am in class 10th. The school is providing us a scientific education which is not really possible in this rural area. The teachers are so good. They are also motivate us very much. The study is not only limited to the books. We also study the things practically. For that, science lab are available here. The school is not limited only to the education, but we are provided with also the non-curriculum activities, like many sports competitions are organized. Also cultural activities, crafting activities, drawing activities are also organized. So the every student could get the opportunity to show their talent in the every field. The school has also organized many tours and picnics to different big cities of the India like Jaipur and Agra. So we are not kept away from anything in this school. So I would like to say that I feel proud and happy to be the part and be the student of this school. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Alpna and I am a student of class 10 of this school. I am studying in this school since my childhood, and our school is an English medium school which provides us scientific knowledge. Our school is the best school in this area, since because it is not possible to have a English medium school in the village area. The parents are feeling lucky that they do not need to move to the cities in search of a good education for their children. Our school also participate in the science seminars and the outdoor sports which are organized by our government. Recently, one student from our school, Tamanna, has participated in Kabaddi competition in the state level, and also I have also participated in badminton competition in the state level. So our school just not give us the bookish knowledge; it also give us opportunities to make our future brighter.
Our school organizes the curriculum activities like the rallies, sports, etc. in our school. Recently, the 4 students of our school went for the state level, and now the Tamanna is going at the national level.
Everyone, my name is Prerna Pawar. I am in class 10th. I am studying here since last 13 years. I want to say about the sport activities of these schools. By playing sports, we get self-confidence, self-esteem and discipline, patience, teamwork.
हमारा जो 2022-23 का बजट है वो लगभग 1 करोड़ से आसपास का है। विद्यालय का जो फीस स्ट्रक्चर है वो भी विद्यालय प्रबंध कारिणी की सर्वसम्मति से प्रस्ताव पारित करके एक संतुलित फीस स्ट्रक्चर बनाया जाता है, जिसमें समाज के मध्यम वर्ग, उच्च वर्ग और जो आर्थिक रूप से निम्न वर्ग है उनके बीच में एक संतुलन बनाया जाता है, जिससे समाज के प्रत्येक वर्ग के बच्चों को इस विद्यालय में शिक्षा मिले, अच्छी से अच्छी शिक्षा मिले। हमारा फोकस रहता है कि हम प्रत्येक गरीब के बच्चे को भी उच्च गुणवत्तापूर्ण वैज्ञानिक शिक्षा प्रदान करें।
यहाँ पर पहाड़ में आप जैसे पता ही है कि डिफरेंट लोग ऐसे हैं जिनका कोई आय का कोई सशक्त माध्यम नहीं है, तो उनको हमारी संस्था ने, हमारे संस्थापक महोदय ने उनको मद्देनजर रखते हुए उन बच्चों को फ्री एजुकेशन या हाफ फी एजुकेशन या बस में फ्री एजुकेशन इस टाइप के प्राविधान रखा है, जिसमें 118 बच्चे हमारे लाभान्वित हैं।
वह शक्ति हमें दो दया निधे, कर्तव्य मार्ग पर डट जाएं, पर सेवा पर उपकार में हम जग जीवन सफल बना जाएं। इस प्रार्थना में लिखा हुआ एक एक शब्द ही श्री बद्री विष्ट विद्या सरोवर का सार है। ये सिर्फ स्कूल नहीं, एक उज्जवल भविष्य का निर्माता है।